Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. I bid to lecturer, Mr. Dr. Hafiz Harun. So today, my group are going to present our assignment. For this topic, for assignment 1, we choose to explore the valve, variable valve timing technology by BMW that they apply on their motorcycles, which is BMW shift cam technology. So I myself, my name is Akmal Hakim bin Azizi. My teammate consists of Aiman Ashri, Muhammad Harid, Ahmad Faidi, and also Muhammad Anas Farid. Next. First, for the introduction. For the first time after making motorcycles since 1970, variable valve timing comes to the new BMW motorcycle models, adding performance, stability, comfort, and control. The bikes that receive this VVT treatment, this shift cam technology treatment, for now is only the S1000RR, their flagship bike, and also the M1000RR, the naked version of the S1000, and also the two-cylinder boxer, which is well known throughout all the world, throughout all riders for its agility, its power, and its comfort. The well-known two-cylinder flat boxer engine now produces more power at the higher RPM, but consume low fuel at the low end of the RPM. Okay, the ShiftCam technology was made by a team of engineers led by Norbert Klauer. Norbert Klauer was first the engineer for the main BMW factory making cars, and also the one who works with Vamos technology for BMW cars. But he said that he doesn't want this new technology for variable valve timing for the motorcycles to be the same concept as Vamos. So this shift cam technology is made new and was introduced back in 2021. Next.
Okay, so I will explain about the theory of operation BMW shift cam. So the intake camshaft has two lobes per valve, and the part load cams are in use when the engine is under light load. It switches to full load cams when the rider is demanding more powers. And the result of this change are 134 horsepower and 105.5 pound-feet of torque. Next.
So for the system and technology, following the widespread use of multi-valve technology in engine design, variable valve timing emerged as the next logical step to improve overall engine output, whether measured in terms of power of torque, because they lack the capability to control variable valve timing. Engineers were forced to settle for the timing that offer the greatest degree of flexibility. As an illustration, a vehicle could choose to utilize less overlapping in order to take advantage of the benefit of low speed output. So yes, you can see this is the picture show the low RPM and the high RPM in valve timing in the VVT valve timing emerge. Okay, thank.
Okay, for advantage and disadvantage, first the advantage is about timing. So when it comes to timing, for the part of throttle opening and the lower RPM, the cam has a shorter lift and reduced duration, meaning the inlet valve are open for shorter time of period.